Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss other units of electric current. Okay. Previously we have learned the concept of electric current and the formulation of electric current. Now in this class we will learn some other units of electric current. In the previous class we have learned ampere as the SI unit of electric current. But now today we will see is there other unit of SI other unit of electric current or not. Okay. So if the current is very small, then how you will measure? Question arises. If the current is very small, then how you will measure? In that case, ampere unit is not precise. Okay. So we're gonna use another unit, that is milliampere. Okay, milli is very smaller than ampere. Okay, and again, if the current is very small, then what we will use? We will use a unit that is microampere. Okay, got it? So some other units are milliampere, ampere. Okay, milliampere. And next one is milliampere can be written as, in symbolic form, it is written as milliampere. Okay. Now, what is the relation between milliampere and ampere? Okay. So 1 milliampere is equal to 1 milliampere is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Okay, so this is the relation between 1 milliampere and ampere. Means we have learned in class 9 what is the value of milli, what milli signifies. Okay, so milli is actually 10 to the power minus 3 or 1 by 1000. This is the meaning of milli. Okay, so we have to replace m with this 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, then it will become 10 to the power minus 3 ampere, that is milliampere. Okay, now next is microampere. I hope you all have heard this word micro. Okay, micro actually it is very small size object are called micro, very small. Is similar to the size of cell. Okay, so to observe cell we have to use microscope. Micro means very small. Okay, so to view very small particle or object or living organ, we have to use microscope, and this micro is for very small. Okay, so microampere. So this is another smaller unit of electric current. Means we can measure if the current is very small, we can use this unit microampere. So this microampere in symbolic form it is written as nu A. This is nu symbol. Okay. Later in the later classes you will learn about different symbols. Okay. So this is nu. Nu is for micro. M is for milli. Okay, so this is microampere. So microampere means the value of micro is 10 to the power minus 6. This is micro. Okay, so replace this micro with 10 to the power minus 6. So 1 microampere is equal to, replace this micro with 10 to the power 6 is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. This is the relation. Okay. This is another relation. So in some question, current is given, okay, time is given. Then you have to calculate the charge. Then if the current is given in microampere, then you have to convert microampere into ampere. Why? Because ampere is the SI unit of current. Is ampere. Okay. So we have to convert any other unit, that is microampere or if it is milliampere into ampere before calculating. Okay, when we gonna solve some numericals. Okay, so we have to replace milliampere and microampere to ampere because ampere is the SI unit. Got it? Okay, so next let's do one problem. Okay, problem on this milliampere and microampere. Okay, now see, the question is a current of 2, what is this, milli. Okay, a current of 2 milliampere was passed to a battery for 2 minutes. Okay, 2 मिनट्स के लिए हम लोग क्या किया है, एक बैटरी में करंट पास किया है, कितना, 2 एम्पीयर का करंट को 2 मिनट तक पास किया गया है. ओके, नाउ व्हाट क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग, फाइंड द अमाउंट ऑफ चार्ज कितना चार्ज स्टोर इन द बैटरी, बैटरी में कितना चार्ज इकट्ठा हो जाएगा, जमा हो जाएगा, ठीक है, स्टोर हो जाएगा, उसको हम लोग निकालना है. ओके, सो सॉल्यूशन इज we have given or here current is equal to 2 milliampere is given, time is given, time is equal to 2 minutes. Okay, now you were asked to find the charge stored in the battery. So charge Q, that is charge Q is equal to question mark, not given. Okay, now we have current is equal to charge by time. As per the definition of current is equal to charge per unit time or rate of flow of charge. Okay, now see what is the value of current. See from the given, what is the value of current, 2 milliampere. So write down 2 milliampere. This implies that 2 milliampere is equal to, what is the charge, not given, what is the time, 2 minutes. Now you have to convert this 2 minutes into second. So how many seconds in 2 minutes? 2 into 60 seconds. Okay, so 2 into 60 seconds. Okay, now this 2 milliampere is also not in SI unit. Okay, now you have to convert this 2 milliampere into SI unit. Hence 2 milliampere is equal to 2 into, what is the value of milli, 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Now it is in ampere, there is no milli term, so it is in SI unit. Okay, now use this value in this equation. Okay, so it is better to write 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Now next what you have to do, transpose this term to this side, to left hand side. So this will become Q is equal to this, if this will move to this side, then it is in denominator, it will be in numerator. Okay, so we can write 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 2 into 60. Now every term, every physical quantity is in SI unit, current is in ampere, time is in second. So now the value of charge will be in SI unit. Okay, so write down columns. So this is equal to 2 2 4 4 6 24 0. Okay, 240 into 10 to the power minus 3 column. Now this is not in standard form. Okay, whenever you write in power notation, you have to write the value in standard form. Now we can write 2.4 into, okay, 2.4 into 10 to the power, or we can simply write it as 240 divided by 10 to the power minus 10 to the power 3, that is equal to 240. Okay, calculation is like this, 240 divided by 10 to the power minus 3, in denominator it will be 1000. Okay, this will be equal to 0.24 column. Okay, this is the charge stored in the battery. Okay, got it? So this is the question regarding milliampere unit. Okay, same in the similar way you can solve problem when there is microampere. Okay. Okay. So now next lecture we will study we will study potential difference and electric potential. Okay.